Okay, let's review our words for hand fins and can Ben get it? All right, so here's our sight words. Let's read them together. Ready, begin. Cut, said, must, when. Your turn. Okay, let's review our it words. Ready, begin. Fins, zips. Your turn. Let's do our eh word. Ready, begin. Ben, your turn. Our ah word. Ready, begin. Rod, your turn. Our qu word. Ready, begin. Quit, your turn. And our st at the end. Ready, begin. Fast, last, your turn. Our st words at the beginning. Ready, begin. Steps, stands, your turn. Okay, let's read our sn words together. We've only got one. Ready, begin. Snag, your turn. Let's review our sl words. Ready, begin. Slips, slots, your turn. And our fl words. Ready, begin. Flops, flaps, flat, your turn. Let's review our cl word. Let's read together. Ready, begin. Clip, your turn. Let's review our nd words. Ready, begin. Pond, bands, hand, your turn. Okay, I hope you enjoy reading hand fins and can Ben get it?